Next-generation Biacore 8 Series SPR systems are here, supporting you to accelerate discovery with speed, scalability, and sensitivity. Every year, development timelines are shortened. Molecules evolve in complexity, and data sets continue to grow. Biacore 8 Series systems are designed to meet your needs for faster screening and more in-depth characterization earlier, without compromising performance. Whether you're screening standard binders or exploring complex interactions, the system adapts to your science. Simple when you need it, powerful when it matters. Increase operational efficiency with built-in automation, exceptional sample capacity, and streamlined data handling. Scale from hit screening to lead optimization with unattended multi-day runs on our 8-needle SPR system. High sensitivity detection and robust microfluidics deliver reliable, high-quality data, supporting confident interaction analysis across both small and large molecules. With Biacore 8 Series SPR systems, make confident, high-speed decisions from complex interactions. One automated system for smarter screening and deeper characterization for all modalities, today and as your discovery moves forward.